In today's tutorial, we're going to go over the various drawing guides. So what we're going to do, I've got the studio pen selected. I've got it set for about 7%. As a matter of fact, let's make that down to 5%. I've selected the color black for my color. And we go over to Canvas and we turn on Drawing Guide. The first thing we see is a grid in the background. We go to Edit Drawing Guide. You can change the opacity of your lines. You can change the thickness of your lines. And you can change the grid size. You can actually move your center point for any of these drawing guides, and you can rotate it. You move the center point, it moves the grid. You move the green dot and it rotates. If you click on either the green or the blue dots, you can click on reset and it puts it right back again. I'm going to turn assisted drawing on for this layer, and we'll click done. And basically this particular drawing guide is very good for making block shapes. If you want to go at a 45-degree angle or any other angle, hold your pen after you draw the line and you're able to make that 45-degree angle. Or any other angle that you want to make. What you cannot do is make any shape that is not made with straight lines, even by snapping. In order to do that, you turn the assisted drawing off, and then you can put your round shape in. You can actually use the drawing guide to your advantage. We turn the drawing assist on, and let's draw a simple box. And then what we're going to do is we're going to edit the drawing guide, change the angle, and if we do a select automatic and choose this square here in the middle, now you can actually put little hashtags and you can make crosshatch shading very easily. Select outside the box, and you can even cast shadow the same way. And then of course we go in here, edit drawing guide, tap once and reset. Let's go up a layer and turn this layer off, and we're going to go into the drawing guide and choose isometric, and you'll see this weird 45-degree, 90-degree grid. and this is used for making isometric drawings. These are used in games. I forgot to turn the drawing assist on. A lot of games use this method, as well as a lot of artists like making isometric drawings because it's very pleasing to the eye. You can go at a 45-degree angle either direction, and you can go up and down using the isometric grid. Quick and easy way of making an isometric drawing. Let's go up a layer, and we'll choose the perspective drawing. With perspective, you put vanishing points on. You can put as many vanishing points on here as you like. Most time people don't want more than just 3. But if we put 2 in there, we have a 2-point perspective from which, once we turn the guide on, you can actually make a lovely cityscape. There we go. We'll erase that one. So this makes a quick and easy way to draw using 2-point perspective. And then we'll go into the symmetry tools. And you'll notice that symmetry has options. You can do a vertical symmetry, which gives you left and right, or horizontal, which gives you up and down. There's a quadrant and a radial. Let's go with vertical here. And what this is good for is making sure that your left and right are the same. A lot of people have difficulty drawing hearts because you can make the left side of the heart or the right side of the heart really easily, but not the other. So this way your heart is perfect. And if you want to skew it, you can do that afterwards. Now, if you turn on radial symmetry on this, what it does is it still mirrors, but it mirrors opposite. So the symmetry actually goes in opposite directions. And this is very good for making intricate designs. And modern art, all that good stuff. And then we're going to jump over to quadrant, because horizontal, like I said, is just like vertical. It just happens to be up and down instead of left and right. Under quadrant symmetry, everything you do on one quadrant gets mirrored in the other 3 quadrants. You can still do your hearts, and it is mirrored in the other 3 quadrants, but because we're doing it on a center line, the mirrors end up touching each other. And then if we turn on the rotational symmetry again, what happens is the symmetry goes in a circle, which will allow you to make simple flowers, mandalas, quickly and easily. The last drawing assist we have, drawing guide, is radial symmetry. We'll go into options, turn radial on. Let's turn the rotational symmetry off. And what this allows for is everything to be repeated 8 times instead of 4. And you'll notice that the symmetry goes left, right, up, down. If you turn on the radial symmetry on this, or I'm sorry, rotational symmetry on this, then everything goes in the same direction. And this is very good for making mandalas. And it's also very good for making flowers, like this lovely chrysanthemum. Which you can then turn into a mandala if you like. And that explains all the different drawing guides. I hope this has helped you, and you all have a wonderful day.